Welcome to sunny MarineMax, Pensacola. My name is Darcy Burkaw, and we'll be going over this 230 Solstice pontoon boat. We start out in the stern, and it's powered by a Mercury 200 four-stroke black engine. If we look at the back of the boat itself, it does have extended swim platform with side gates, long stainless ladder, and tow bar. Moving on a little forward, it does have an extra long stern seat with storage compartments underneath, plenty of room for everyone, and a flippable back seat. Going further on, the new Solstice offers a compact digital gauge, Simrad screen, JL audio subwoofer and stereo system, digital DTS controls, a new cordless charging system for your phone, and everything is lit underneath. Both the cup holders on the sides, the stern, and all the way around for different colors. Room accessible for everything, storage underneath. This is an 8.5 foot wide boat with a full length log and integrated self-storage. If you need anything more questions on this particular boat, contact us at MarineMax Pensacola. My name is Darcy Burkaw. Thank you for this video.